Welcome to Channel Road Warriors, your go-to destination for all things automotive and lifestyle. Today, we're excited to bring you an in-depth review of the 2025 X Large Tiny House. This innovative tiny house has been designed with the latest technology and sustainable living in mind, and we're here to give you the lowdown on what makes it so special. First off, let's take a look at the X Large Tiny House's design. This tiny house features a modern and sleek design, with a focus on functionality and sustainability. The exterior is made of durable and eco-friendly materials, including reclaimed wood and low-maintenance siding. Now, let's talk about the X Large Tiny House's key features. This tiny house is equipped with all the essentials, including a fully functional kitchen, a spacious bathroom, and a cozy living area. The kitchen features high-end appliances, including a stainless steel fridge and a gas stove. The bathroom features a large walk-in shower and a composting toilet. One of the standout features of the X Large Tiny House is its focus on sustainability. This tiny house is equipped with a range of eco-friendly features, including solar panels, a rainwater harvesting system, and a greywater system. The tiny house is also built using sustainable materials and practices. In terms of unique selling points, the X Large Tiny House has a few tricks up its sleeve. This tiny house features a range of advanced smart home technologies, including a voice-controlled assistant and a mobile app that allows you to control the tiny house's systems remotely. The X Large Tiny House also features a range of customization options, including different floor plans and interior design schemes. The X Large Tiny House's performance is also worth noting. This tiny house is designed to be energy efficient and environmentally friendly, with a range of features that reduce its carbon footprint. The tiny house is also built to last, with durable materials and construction methods that ensure it will withstand the elements. Overall, the 2025 X Large Tiny House is an impressive tiny house that is sure to appeal to anyone looking for a sustainable and stylish living solution. Its focus on eco-friendliness, functionality, and customization make it a standout in the tiny house market. Thanks for joining us on Channel Road Warriors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more lifestyle and automotive content.